Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday, and for me Sundays are always about just taking the day off. Probably had a long week. I just want to catch up on a few Netflix shows, a bit of pamper. I'm currently treating my hair, and hence why I come to you guys barefaced, except my eyebrows of course. So I've had my morning coffee. We've been to the garden to pick up some ingredients for today's recipe. So today's star vegetable is eggplants or aubergines, and for the longest time I've always felt like aubergines are really understated. I've seen most people just dice them up and just add them to like a stew or a curry, and that's about it. And I'm telling you guys, this vegetable is such a powerhouse. You can use this stuffed, you can bake it, you can fry it, you can grill it, and I wanted to share my favorite way of making it, which is grilling. So I wanted to highlight two different ways that I use my grilled aubergine, and that's in a salad and in a cheese sandwich. So let me gather up all the ingredients and let's get to grilling. So I've just finished slicing my aubergines, and this is exactly how they look. So I normally slice them lengthwise, that way they sit better on the pan. And then this is the kind of thickness that I go for. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? Yeah, and of course I peel them, and of course you can grill them with the skin on if that's what you like, but for me I just find that it turns out perfect without the skin. So if you want to experiment, try it both ways and see what your preference is, but for me I like them skinless. So of course now moving on, we need a griddle pan. This is a griddle pan that I'm using. Then of course with griddle pans you can see it's ribbed, and this is exactly where we're going to get the charred marks once we get grilling. Then of course you need salt, pepper for seasoning, and of course oil, and imagine that's it. So let's get on with the grilling, and then from there we assemble the sandwich and we also assemble the salad. So I've already made the first batch, and you can see it has the perfect grill marks. I'm telling you guys, those charred bits, boom. So we're just going to continue doing the same with the rest, and that will be our grilled aubergine. So once again, all you need to do is just place them in that direction. So guys, I've finished grilling my aubergines, and you can see this is how they look like. You can see they have very nice charred lines, and I'm telling you guys, it's so packed with flavor and it's meaty. It's just delicious. So I have a couple of things here already. I also grilled some carrots while I was at it. I have some beetroot leaves. I know many people don't eat beetroot leaves, but they're really nice, and also just to give it color. I also have some avocado because avocado is life for sure. And then I have my homemade dressing. So this is basically this is olive oil, mustard, honey, and a dash of balsamic. So of course you can mix according to your flavor preference, but I'll leave all this link in the description box down below. So I just want to cut a bit more of the aubergines. I don't want them full because I want, when I'm eating my salad, I'm not just picking a full aubergine, so I'm just slicing them maybe into 2 or 3 strips per slice, and then we get to assembling. So let me add a bit more and then we assemble it in this big bowl. Just going to pile them up like this. So of course for the salad you can use anything that you have. This is just what we had in the garden. If you want to replace anything that I've mentioned with something else, for example like the beetroot leaves, you can replace them with maybe lettuce or maybe like steamed cabbage. Just, you know, you can basically create the kind of salad that you enjoy, but this is what I have, and so I think I'm ready to assemble, so let's get on with that. So guys, my salad is ready, and this is just what I love about salads. You can always make it the way you want, and of course you can also just use the ingredients that you have at hand. So of course the grilled aubergines just makes it really nice and meaty, and that's exactly what I love. It's honestly so good. And this is exactly what I was saying. You can always replace some of the things that I've put in with whatever ingredients that you have, but you must try the grilled aubergines. I'm telling you, it just gives it that meaty taste, and it's all packed with flavor and also very many nutrients. So this is done, so I want us to move into the next grilled aubergine recipe, which is a grilled cheese. So let me just clear this and then I will move on to that. So now we're going to move to the grilled cheese and aubergine sandwich. So I have my bread, which is slightly grilled. The aubergines are of course ready. So I want to just slice my cheese, and then we just move everything to the grill pan. So I'm using some Sienna cheese. This is cheddar, and I just need just a couple of slices. Of course you can put as many slices as you like. Just want to put maybe 2 slices of cheese like that. So our pan is heating up. I'm just going to add just a little bit of oil, and then from there I'm just going to put the bread on. And then now put a slice of the cheese, and then now add some aubergine on top of that. And again, as I mentioned before, it'll just taste like a meaty sandwich, and of course there's no meat involved. So I'm just going to pack it like that, then add another layer of cheese. Finish off with the top slice. So I'm just heating it so that the cheese just slightly melts. That should be it. So my sandwich is ready, so all I need to do is just cut it. Let me cut it this way. It's nice and crunchy and quite meaty. So there you go. So good. So guys, that was my easy peasy grilled aubergine in 2 ways. If you try it out again, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at sienna.barley so that I can check out what you guys made. I think it's time for me to go and binge on my Netflix right now. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me yet again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. That way you don't miss it out. So with that, have an awesome week. Be productive, stay at home if you can, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Kiberiti iko wapi?